gets hard, but I swear it gets better. You're afraid of the dark, you're afraid of bad weather. You're down on your luck, but let's just stick together. 'Cause babe, you're my rock, watch me float like a feather. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, baby. Oh Lord, I'm tired, ain't no slave to no master. Scars on my feet, with each step they bleed faster. Keep true to my word, I stay true to my master. I'm down on my knees, begging God for an answer. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, baby. 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 Once upon a time, the sweetest thing I knew was face to face right here in front of me. I don't know where the water, Lord, will have us flow, but I know all I need to do is keep on pushing on.
I'm gonna get on the knee. Tell my wife I love her.
Oh, what do you have to say for yourself?
Tell his wife I love her.
Third time at the Gauley, love it.
Yeah, high five.
Wait, he has a wife? What's up, Dad? Delusion is kicking in.
Welcome everyone to the Upper Gauley Puddin'. I'm Melissa Vaughn, your videographer for the day, and we are at the Gauley Dam, Summersville Dam. We are all bringing our boats down to the river. We've just met our guides. We're gonna learn how to paddle. We're gonna head downstream and hit some of the world's best whitewater rapids. 5 class 5s, 14 miles of river. It's gonna be a glorious day. See you at the first one. And here we are at the first rapid of the day. Insignificant. So what you guys need to do and avoid in this jumble of holes and pour-overs is avoid this one. Definitely that one. That one right there is a flipper. Come on downstream. Avoid that hole. And definitely avoid this washout rock over here and all of these pour-overs. So, paddle hard, listen to those guides. Let's see what happens.
It's a
catch you at the world famous Palo Rock Rapid, just downstream. Here we are, everyone, at the world famous Palo Rock Rapid. This big old Class 5 rapid has a hole called inertia. And then you ride up on this rock, give it a big old paddle slap, making sure not to park yourself on Volkswagen Rock. It will flip you. So let's hope for good lines high up on that rock. Go sailing.
I've been down, can't help the fact that I'm proud. I know what I've found. What's the matter? Am I too loud? Ain't it funny how it seems to work out in the end? Ain't it funny how it seems to go? I'm in too deep, there's no way out. I thought I heard your voice again. It seems to me you found yourself, but I know our prize waits on the end. Been used, I've been abused, and I hate the fact I might lose. Two choice, you choose between your actions and what you do. Ain't it funny how it seems you don't care anymore? Ain't it funny how it seems to go? I'm in too deep, there's no way out. I thought I heard your voice again. It seems to me you found yourself, but I know our prize waits on the end. Go!
Woo-wee! That was some wild power rides right there. We had a total of 5 swimmers, all up a Volkswagen Rock, never to be taken for granted. Catch you guys downstream at Lost Paddle. And here we are at Lost Paddle. This is called Hawaii 5-0. Come straight down, pop over those waves, head downstream, making sure not to wash up on six-pack or go in the garage over there, because you will be stuck or you will flip over. So, let's paddle hard, see how you do. making sure not to flip over, go in the parking garage. So let's head on downstream for some more West Virginia whitewater action. And you guys have made it to the steep Iron Ring Rapid. It is very technical. We got this hole up here, hole over here, hole over here. You need to thread those holes. Really making sure to miss Woodstock and the big hole that is right behind it. See how you guys do.
Clock is moving slow. Let's rewind to a time not long ago. Well, I was busting out the gate, burning faster than a fire. Misbehaved, I was running for my life. If I can trust you, then I love you till my bottles fade to gray. Straight off a crime, and I don't know where to go. Chasing time and a worthless pot of gold. Off my boots, running faster than my mind, in cahoots with the baddest kind of guy.
Alright, lots of action here at Iron Ring. Seems like you guys have waited and saved it all for this one steep technical rapid. Hope you guys are all safe. Clean up the mess downstream. See if you guys can avoid dildo over at Sweets Falls.
station, keeping daylight on the run.
Oh my god, how did it?
What is she doing?